Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today we will be learning how to tell time. There are two types of clocks. The first one is the analog clock, and you see these types of clocks in most of the places you visit. Second one is the digital clock. You can see these type of clocks in the watches, in the remotes, and so on. Today we will learn how to see time in both of these clocks. Before we start our lesson, you should be aware of two important elements in a clock. First one is the face of the clock. It looks something like this. Make a clear note. It has numbers all around in a circle from 1 to 12. Each number represents 1 hour. Like, for example, 1 for 1 hour, 2 for 2 hour, and so on. And the second element is the hands of the clock. There are two hands in the clock. One hand is short and another hand is long. The short hand tells the hour, whereas the long hand tells the minute. Look at this clock. Can you guess what is the time now? Well done. Yes, it is 3 o'clock because look at the small hand. It is pointing towards 3. Now look at the long hand. It is pointing towards 12. So we say the time is 3 o'clock. Remember, whenever we read the time in hour, then the long hand always points towards 12. Now let's see how to look at the time in digital clock. Here is the digital clock. This is how you see the time in the digital clock with the number 3 and followed by colon and 2 zeros. So we read this as 3 o'clock. We see 2 o'clock like this in analog clock. That is, the small hand, our hand, is at 2 and the long hand, that is the minute hand, is at 12. Okay? And we see 2 o'clock like this in digital clock. 2 followed by colon and 2 zeros. Have a look at this. We see 7 o'clock like this in analog clock and this way in digital clock. Look at this time, children. Can you guess what time is it now? Well done. It is 12 o'clock. When it is 12, the hour hand and the minute hand are both on 12. The short hand is behind the long hand, so you can't see the short hand. Now let's see what is half past. To explain you this topic, I have divided my clock face into two colors. So you can see that my whole circle is divided into two parts, and each part is called the half. Whenever it is half past, the minute hand is on 6. Make a note. Whenever it is half past, the minute hand, that is the long hand, is always on 6. Okay? When we say half past 2, then pay attention to the hour hand. Our hand has moved halfway away from 2. You can notice the needle of this hour hand between 2 and 3. And now pay attention to the minutes needle, that is the long needle. Where it is pointing at 6. As I told you, whenever it is half past, the long minute needle always points towards 6. In analog clock, we show 2:30 like this. And in digital clock, we show half past or 2:30 like this. Now let's have a look at few examples. What time is it? Well done. This is 1:30. And in digital clock, you can write this as 1:30. Also make a note. The long minute needle is on 6. Since it is 1:30, it has passed half the way from 1, so it is between 1 and 2. Have a look at these times to get some idea. Can you guess the time for these clocks? Now check your answers. This clock says 1:30. This clock says 3:30. This clock says 2:30. And this clock says 4:30. Can you write the time for these clocks? Now check your answers. If your answers are matching with mine, well done. You deserve a star. I want to give you a simple tip. Whenever it is 1/2, remember to follow this trick. Select the small number out of the 2 for 1/2. That is 1. So we say this as 1/2. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. Press the subscribe button if you want to get more videos like this. Stay safe and I will catch you later. Have a good day. Bye.